Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
What's in these shells? I wonder if it's treasure!
Let's find out! Mine!
Ah, help! Ah, help!
Whoa!
Ah, help!
Mine!
Hello? Pizza delivery. Pizza delivery for Vanessa.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your pizza.
Children, come! It's pizza time!
Pizza time! Yes, pizza! Let's go! Yes, pizza!
Yay, pizza!
Is that a turtle? Why is there a turtle in my pizza? It's a baby turtle!
Time for some pizza. Ah, that's delicious.
Wait, let me help him. He's okay. He's so tiny. He really came out of the pizza. This is not a regular turtle. I know, he's special.
I think this is a baby sea turtle. A sea turtle? From the sea? Definitely not from my pizza. I think you want water too.
I want him with us, but Daddy never will agree for it. I want to play with him after my homework.
Dad, can we keep this in our house?
But where did it come from?
From my pizza.
Seriously? But we can't keep him in our house. We cannot keep a wild sea turtle forever.
I know, just for now. We can help him.
He needs the right space, sand, shallow water, and warmth. We can buy everything.
Okay, get ready. We are gonna buy everything for him.
Thanks, Daddy!
It's perfect.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes.
We have a baby sea turtle. You have a what? Okay, then let's get the right temporary supplies. I think this is perfect for your baby tortoise.
I love it!
Okay, let's get it.
Wonderful, you made a great choice.
Yay, our own turtle.
Everyone ready for our new friend?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Me too. He's going to be so cute. That actually looks pretty good. Welcome home, Donnie. He likes it. He is inspecting it.
Good. I hope the customer is satisfied. Good night, Donnie.
Okay, now you take rest, Donnie. I will be back soon. Donnie, I'm home. Donnie?
Donnie? Donnie?
Maybe he is hiding.
Turtles do not hide that fast.
Donnie!
Donnie!
What's wrong? Donnie is gone.
What happened?
He's missing.
That was not here before.
A bird?
A bird took Donnie?
Donnie! Donnie! Donnie!
I made space on my shelf. If Donnie comes back, he can sit there. Really? Yes, but only if he does not steal my pencils. We will keep looking tomorrow. Donnie? 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 Yes! Yes! We got Donnie! He's with the goose! They're back! Donnie, we missed you! You're a good friend, Goose. Let's go home, everyone. They left me all alone.
Gotcha! I'm taking this one home! Squawk! Let go! Whoa! Where'd all you birds come from? Squawk! Attack! Get out of it! Don't stop it! Let go! He's getting sword! Run! I'm out of here!
Bye-bye, we'll miss you. Bye, we'll miss you so much. Mom, we found Donnie.
Where was he?
We found him on the street.
Great!
Listen, children, it's a dangerous world for Donnie. We need to leave him in the ocean again so that we can live there peacefully. I know it's hard for you, but we need to do it as soon as possible.
Donnie, we will miss you a lot.
Okay, let's go. We need to reach the ocean before evening.
Yes.
I will miss you, Donnie. Yes, Donnie.
For more English learning videos, visit our channel and keep practicing with us.